Thinking of shopping at selfieleslie.com but not sure if it's a trustworthy fashion destination or just another online store with glossy photos and risky results? You're definitely not alone. Selfie Leslie markets itself as a go-to hub for trendy dresses, tops, and women's accessories, and with beautiful product photos and regular updates, it can be tempting to click Add to Cart. The site has been around since 2015, which adds some credibility, and their branding is clear and consistent across platforms. They also have a responsive customer support system via email and maintain an active presence on social media, which is often a good sign. Many reviews across different platforms praise the quality of the clothing, fast domestic shipping, and the trendy styles. However, that's not the full story. Some customers have reported mixed experiences, such as delays in receiving their orders, items not matching website images exactly, and difficulties when trying to return or exchange products. There are also occasional complaints about sizing being off, with clothes running smaller than expected. These issues don't necessarily make the site a scam, but they do raise valid concerns, especially for first-time buyers. So, while Selfie Leslie isn't a sketchy pop-up store that disappears overnight, it's also not without flaws. It seems to work well for many, but not everyone walks away satisfied. If you're planning to shop here, it's smart to double-check the return policy. Read the most recent customer reviews and perhaps order just one item first to test the experience. This review gives you the real scoop so you can decide for yourself whether Selfie Leslie is worth your trust or your wallet.